friends, welcome back to Storytime. Today I have another video for you, which is called We Will Rock Our Classmates by the #1 New York Times bestselling author, Ryan T. Higgins. But before we get started, subscribe and like for more videos like this. Let's get started. Penelope was the only T-Rex in her school, but sometimes I made her stand out a little. And sometimes Penelope's classmates didn't see her at all. They just saw a dinosaur. Want to play cops and dinosaurs? You can be the dinosaur. Well, I was hoping to play dentist. Great! We'll be the dentist, you be the doctor. Dinosaur! Have you been flossing? William Owato's backpack is stuck in your teeth. Dinosaur or not, Penelope loved to play. She loved to read. Good night, tasty moose, all wrapped in bologna. Good night, tasty goose, with a side dish of pony. Ponies. She loved to draw. Wait, I won't eat you. I don't even have any mustard. But the one thing Penelope loved to do more than anything was to make music. She loved to sing, and she loved to play guitar. Penelope loved to rock and roll. So when Mrs. Noodleman told the class about the talent show, Penelope was excited. She was also nervous. She wanted to rock her classmates, but could she do it? And also the shine-up she was right next to Walter, the ferocious goldfish. Penelope took a deep breath. She had to do it. She tiptoed past Walter, and she quickly wrote her name with her bravest purple marker. After school, Penelope shared the big news with her parents. And I'm going to wear a pink tutu and big boots and spike my scales and look really angry, but I'll actually be really happy. It's going to be so great! She hummed her favorite songs while brushing her teeth. She danced all the way to the bus. She even told her classmates about her favorite band, the Weevils. Best band ever! My dad used to go to all their concerts until he accidentally ate the drummer. And at last, it was time for rehearsal. Can dinosaurs even play guitar? On stage, Penelope froze. She could not sing. She could not play guitar. She worried that dinosaurs could not rock and roll. Penelope was very quiet on the car ride home. She hardly ate anything for supper. Are you sure you don't want more, Penny Pie? You only had 52 burgers. The next day, Penelope at recess sat alone on the bench. She would not play hopscotch. I'm a T-Rex, you're a hopscotcher. She would not play duck, duck, goose. I'm not a duck. I'm not another duck or a goose. I'm just a dinosaur. And at the end of the day, Penelope crossed her name off the sign-up sheet with the saddest blue marker. When Penelope got home, she went straight to her room. Daddy Rex came in to talk to her. Is everything okay? He asked. I can't be in the talent show, she cried. I'm just a dinosaur. Ah, I see, said Daddy Rex. Come with me. Take a look at this family photo album. This is your Uncle Frank. He was a figure skater. And here's your mom finishing her first marathon. And here's me, the world's hamburger eating champion. I ate 5,053 hamburgers with ketchup. You see, said Daddy Rex, being a T-Rex is only part of who you are. You, for instance, are kind and caring and creative and adventurous and anything you want to be. The next day at school, Penelope marched back over to sign up the sheet, and she looked at straight Walter and almost lost her nerve. But Penelope's classmates had a different idea. Can we play with you in your band? Please, Penelope. And that gave her just enough courage. The night of the show, Penelope was excited and also really nervous. She peeked out from backstage to try and find her parents. When the curtains opened, William O'Mano and his amazing animal sounds took the shade. Roar! Oh! Whop! Mabel Hastings and her dancing pony went second. Tappity tap tap tappity tap 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 tap. Then there was the Stegman brothers synchronized swimming mime acts, followed by Martina Cortez and her dazzling card tricks. Well, your card was a 10 of hearts. No, was it the elephants or spade? But finally, it was Penelope's turn. The lights on the stage were bright, but not as bright as Penelope. We are Penelope and the Mustard Seeds. Penelope was a T-Rex. She was also kind and caring and creative and adventurous. And most of all, Penelope Rex was a rock star. Penelope and the Mustard Seeds came in second place, just behind Mabel Hastings and her dancing pony. But that was okay with Penelope. She loved ponies. Ponies. The end! I hope you enjoyed this fantastic story with me. Subscribe and like for more videos like this. Bye, reader friends! Keep on reading!